Hi, this video is going to show you how to use Trackem's history report. When you first log into the system, you're presented with your home screen, which tells you the current location of all your vehicles. To access the history report, we're going to go up to the menu at the top and click on Reports, and then History, which is the third in the list. First step is to select which device you want to pull the history report for. In this case, I'm just going to select myself, Alex. Next step is to choose your date and time ranges. By default, the current day, all day, is selected. I'm going to leave it at that so we can get my history report for today. And at that point, we just need to click Run Report. You see the information pops up underneath, and it's in chronological order from the beginning of the day to the end of the day. Most of our devices communicate every 2 minutes when moving, or every 10 minutes when stationary, and you can see that here. So if we just scroll down, 224, 234, 244, 254. It's going every 10 minutes because I was sleeping and not driving around. But I'm just going to scroll down to when I actually started moving here. So the history report is the unmanipulated data that we send from the modem. And what I mean by that is other reports, like the stop report, we have to do a little bit of math in the background to present the data in the way that makes sense for a stop report. This history report is raw data. Basically, every GPS report that the device sends us is presented here, untouched, presenting the data that the modem could determine. So we have date and time, the address of where the device was, the speed of the vehicle, the direction of travel, the latitude and longitude, and in some cases, depending on the devices that you have installed in your vehicles, events. In this case, you can see when my ignition was turned on, when I started moving, and if I scroll down a bit, when I stopped, and then when I turned off the ignition. If you scroll back up to the top, you'll see another option on the right hand side here, which is export. If you wanted to save this data, you have three options: either a PDF, which gives you a nice printable version, Microsoft Excel, it's a CSV that comes out, which is a spreadsheet, and you can import that into any other mapping program that accepts spreadsheet data, or Google Earth KML file for import into a Google Earth program. All you would do is select the option that you want, hit the export button, and after it gathers all the data, and you'll get a message saying that it has been sent. What this will do is it'll send it to your email of your user account instead of showing it on the screen. And this is a security feature to make sure that if somebody actually has access to your account and they want to export any type of information, that they can't actually save it or print it from the web. It'll show up in your user email.